A lot of people ask me about putting tracks on their UTVs and on their ATVs. And I think the reason they ask me those questions is because I've had tracks for many years. A tracked machine can go through almost anything. They're great for frozen lakes. They go through a lot of snow. If there's any fallback or any detriment to a track, it's if your lake has a lot of slush on top. If the slush is deep enough that it'll hang up on the frame, that becomes an issue. But the only vehicle that will traverse a lake situation like that is a snowmobile, and even sometimes they struggle. If you're going to set your machine up, consider putting a full cab on it. It's 25 below wind chill right now. The cabs really help if you want to stay mobile while you're ice fishing. But if you put a cab on, get a heater. And if you get a heater, get windshield wipers, because you're invariably going to be out in a blizzard or in snowy conditions, and if you don't have the wipers, those windshields will freeze up and you won't be able to see where you're going. So take a look at this machine. This is like an ultimate ice setup. Tracks, cab, heater, the whole works, and you'll be able to stay mobile, warm, and ice fish almost in any condition you want.